Hi everyone. So in the previous section we have seen that from this website developer.android.com we can download the Android Studio. So I'll just click on this download Android Studio button, and as you can see there are certain terms and conditions which you need to accept before proceeding with the download. I'll just check this option and click on download Android Studio for Windows. Once I click on this, I get a file to save. I'll just save in my local machine. I'll just wait for the file to save. This is the exe file, and once this exe file is saved, you can just execute it and the installer will begin. We'll just wait for a while. So as you can see, this is my exe file which just got downloaded. I'll just try to execute it. I'll right click on this and click on run as administrator and just wait for the installation to begin. It might take some time. We have to just wait for it. So here you can see a pop-up, and so it's asking to make changes to my computer. So this is, I'll accept it as yes, and now my installation has begun. The setup is loading and it's verifying the installer. It might take some time, so we'll just wait for it. So you can see this is the Android Studio setup. This wizard has come up. I'll just click on next. And you can see that we have to select the components to install. There is an Android Studio component, which is this IDE, which you have to accept. SDK, these are nothing but the Android platform APIs which will help you to debug and run your code in different mobile versions. Next is your Android virtual device, this AVD. AVD is nothing but it's a pre-configured Android emulator which you will get with the Studio, where you can test your application once development is completed. So we'll just check all this and click on next. I'll accept the agreement. And here you can see the location where you must specify for your Studio installation. So you can see for Android Studio installation you need at least 500 MB of free space. So just choose a directory wherever you can get a 500 MB of free space. I'll just browse and I'll select in D drive. I have created a folder as Android. I'll just select that and click on OK. So my Android Studio installation will be D drive Android folder. Now next is the Android SDK installation. This requires at least 3.2 GB of free space. So I'll just select some other directory, maybe E drive, and here I have created a folder as SDK. I'll select that folder. I'll click on OK. So you can see E drive SDK. So I'll click on next, and then it's the install button is there. I'll click on install, and we have to just wait for a while till the installation is completed. As you can see, just extracting the files, it will take some time. This SDK extraction might take some time, so you have to just wait for it. So as you can see, it's almost 96% completed. It will take a while, and then the installation will be done. So you can see the installation is completed and setup was completed successfully. We'll just click on next, and then it opens up the wizard and says start Android Studio. I'll just click on finish and I'll just start the Android Studio. We'll just wait for the Android Studio to come up. So here you can see this is your Android Studio. This is welcome to Android Studio. This is your welcome screen, how it comes up. So in the next video, I'll just show you how you can install different packages, because the Android Studio comes with default packages and you need to update all the latest packages for before you start building your app, else your app will not execute on any of the devices. So in the next section I'll show you how you can configure your SDK manager, update all the latest packages. So thank you, and let's see you on the next section. Thanks.